Good morning. Chapter Parabola, exercise 11.2, question number 1. The first question is find the coordinates of the focus axis of the parabola, equation of the directrix, and the length of the lattice rectum of y square equal to 12x. Okay. So the given equation of the parabola is the given equation of the parabola is y square equal to 12x, which is of the form y square equal to 4x. Okay, so
Sir, 4 is equal to 12.
4a equal to 12.
12. Sir, A is equal to 3. So, sir, the coordinates of the focus will be A, 0, which will be 3,
a equal to 3. Okay, so coordinates of focus are therefore coordinates of focus are
3, 0.
that is formula is we know a comma 0
The A, 0. 3, 0.
3 comma 0. Okay, and axis of the parabola is x axis.
Sir, X axis, because sir, Y is given. So, it is Y, so it will be X axis.
Axis of the parabola is x axis. Okay, axis of the parabola is x axis.
Yes, sir.
So equation of the x axis is x
Sir, Y
axis.
equal to 0.
So equation of axis is, so x axis equation y equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Y equal to 0. Then after that equation of directrix.
Directrix. So it will be x plus 3 is equal to 0.
Equation of directrix is, what is the
So
equation of the directrix?
So x plus 3 is equal to 0.
Actually the formula is x equal to
Minus A.
Yes, x equal to minus a. So it is x equal to minus, and a is 3. So minus 3.
Minus 3.
That means x plus 3 equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of directrix. Then length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum.
So it is 4A, so sir, 4 into 3, which is 12.
3 equal to 12. Okay, it's clear, done everything? First we have to compare. Okay, comparing the parabola equation y square equal to 4x. Okay, you got a equal to 3. So focus is 3, 0. Equation is x axis. So x-axis is y equal to 0 equation. Then equation of directrix, x minus x equal to minus a, that means x plus a equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0, and length of the lattice rectum is 4 into 3, 12. Okay. Next, question number 2, say equation is x square equal to 6y.
Sir, it is in the form of x square.
Okay. So comparing because it is the form of x square equal to 4ay. No.
4ay, yes, sir.
Yes. So comparing with x square equal to 4ay.
Sir, 4a is equal to 6.
So 4a equal to 6.
Yes, sir. Sir, a is equal to 3 by 2.
A equal to 6 by 4.
Sir, it is equal to 3 by 2.
It is 3 by 2. 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Now x square equal to 4ay. So this equation is upward, no?
Yes, sir.
Upward parabola. So upward parabola, that means axis. What is the axis?
Y-axis. Y-axis.
So on the y-axis, focus is on the y-axis.
Yes,
So
sir. So it will be
coordinate
0,
of the
3 by
focus.
2. So
Yes,
0,
therefore,
a.
coordinate of focus. Coordinate of focus equal to 0,
0, a.
yes, because on the y-axis. So 0, a. So this equal to
0, 3 by 2.
3 by 2. This is focus. Then axis.
Sir, it is y-axis. So, sir, the equation of the axis is x is equal to 0.
Of the parabola is y-axis.
Y-axis. So, sir, the equation is x is equal to 0.
So the equation is x
X is equal to 0.
Now equation of directrix. Equation of
Sir, y will be equal to minus a.
Equation of directrix is y
So, y is
equal
equal to minus a.
yes, because on the y-axis, no,
Yes, sir.
length. So y equal to minus a. That is
Sir, so y will be equal to minus 3 by 2. Then, sir, y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0.
minus 3 by 2. Okay. Then
Yes, sir. So, y plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0.
y plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Then simplify this. 2y plus 3 equal to 0. This is the equation of directrix. Okay. Now length of lattice rectum. Length of lattice.
Sir, it will be 4a. So, sir, 4 into 3 by 2, which is 6. Sir, 4 into 3 by 2, which will be 6. 3 by 2. 6.
Okay. Next, question number 3. Y square equal to minus 8x. Y square equal to minus 8x. Okay. This is the given equation. Y square equal to minus.
So, it is in the form of y square is equal to minus 4ax.
Which is of the form.
Sir, y square is equal to minus 4ax.
Y square equal to minus 4ax. Okay. is open on left side, no? So
Yes, sir.
comparing these two equation, so
So minus 4a is equal to minus 8. So sir, a is equal to 2.
right, minus 4a equal to minus 8.
Yes, sir. So sir, a is equal to 2.
A equal to 2. A equal to 2.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
coordinate of the focus,
Sir, it is minus a comma 0. So sir, it will be minus 2 comma 0. It is equal to minus 2 comma 0.
of the focus is left side, no?
Minus,
On the
yes, sir,
x-axis
minus
left
a
side.
comma 0. Yes,
So
sir.
minus a comma 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
A equal to 2. So minus 2 comma 0. Because axis x-axis left side. So axis of the parabola is axis of the
Sir, y will be equal to 0.
axis of the parabola is
Y equal to 0.
x-axis. No, axis is
Yes,
x-axis. X-axis, because focus is on the x-axis. Axis is x-axis, so the equation is
So the equation is y equal to 0.
of x-axis is
Y is equal to 0.
y equal to 0. Yes. Then equation of directrix. Okay. Equation of the
So
equation
here x is equal to a.
of the directrix y equal to a. Right
Yes,
side?
sir.
No, x equal
X
to
is
no.
equal
On
to
the
A.
x-axis, on the
Yes, sir.
x-axis, x equal to a.
So x equal to a.
Okay. So x equal to a
So
means
x is equal to 2.
2. So
2.
x equal to
So
2.
x minus 2. So x minus 2 is equal to 0.
X minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Then x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay. So after that, length of the
Lattice section. So it will be 4 into 2, which will be 8. So 4a. So which means 4 into 2, which is 8. Which is equal to 8.
8. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done everything. Focus,
Yes,
axis,
sir.
equation of directrix, and length of the lattice victim. Okay. If question is find the coordinate of vertex, what is the coordinate of vertex? Coordinate of vertex. Coordinate of vertex is origin 0 0.
0.
Okay, 0 0.
Yes, sir.
Coordinate of vertex is origin because intersection of x-axis and y-axis. So 0 comma 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So everything completed now. See, you have any question about parabola, these coordinates? Hello?
No question, sir.
Okay. Okay, practice these all. Practice all examples. Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.